upon your pillow. Lay your burdens by your side. Don't think twice about tomorrow. Sleeping through the night.
Hello folks, Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike. That's right, I'm on a trike. It's been 4 weeks since I've had my surgery, and I went and saw the surgeon a couple of days ago, and he says, I've been doing so good that I can ride a trike again. I'm really stoked. This is great. I did a lot of walking, took care of myself, went into the procedure in the best shape I've been in a long time. I've lost a bunch of weight, was doing good. So the payback is I get to be on the trike. But I'm on my spare trike as my other trike's going in the shop this week for a hydraulic brake job. Get that all redone. I try to do it myself, but it's above my pay grade. It's fortunate to find this bike shop that now handles trikes. I was on my own out here, and I'll take it in next week and we'll get those brakes fixed. I haven't touched my brakes in 2.5 years, so well needed. So I'm so happy to be back out and joining you guys on the road. So here I am riding through my hometown of Laie. Okay, I'm just doing a short ride to just pace myself. You know, one of the things when you come out of a back surgery is they want you to walk right away. So the rule was every hour you got to get up and walk for 10 minutes. I had to do that every day for at least the first 2 weeks. Then I started graduating out to longer walks and ended up 3 to 4 mile walks every day for the last 4 weeks. Well, the only problem with this spare trike, it has no shock absorber at all. And I feel every single bump. That back shock is frozen, never got around to fixing it. Not the best to come out the surgery. Anyway, now I'm back on the main road, nice and smooth. Well, my objective today was to ride to all my spots here in Laie, all the places I haven't visited in 4 weeks. So now I'm heading back home, and time for a nap. So, getting back on this trike is such a great feeling, and I'm just taking it easy. Hope you guys are healthy. Hope you're safe. I hope you're happy. And don't forget, be forever young. You have a great week. Aloha.
Rest your head, 'cause it's all pow. Close your eyes now, it's all pow. Go to sleep, darling, it's all pow. Hey, hey, moi, moi, hey. It's all